Hello all, in this particular tutorial, we will learn how to install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows. Oracle SQL Developer is a best free GUI tool for DBAs and developers who works with Oracle databases, and Oracle SQL Developer is a product of Oracle company itself. To install the Oracle SQL Developer on Windows, you do not need to perform any installation. You just download the software, extract it, and you are ready to use. Download, extract, and you are ready to use. So let us proceed. So let's launch the browser of your choice. Let's search for download SQL Developer, and there is a spelling mistake. That's fine. So click here, SQL Developer downloads. The latest version is 24.3.1. If you have the Java development kit, you can choose the one without JDK. If you don't have one, you can click the one with JDK included. I don't have the Java development kit, so I'm going to click on download. So the download is going to have started. Give it a few minutes for the download to complete. I will not waste your time. So let me pause and come back once the download is completed. So the download is about to complete. So give it a, then that's done. Let's go to the location. Let's close the browser. Let's go to the location where the download has started. You can extract it in the same location or you can extract anywhere. So let's say extract it here. So you can use, and at this moment we are done. We are done. This is the folder. This is the content of that particular archive. So this is the zip folder, and under this you can find this particular folder, and that's basically your installation. You don't have to install anything. You just download it, extract it, and you are ready to run. So under this you can see we have got this SQL developer. Just launch that SQL developer, and this particular software components is getting launched. So give it a few minutes for it to launch. And if you have previous installation, it will ask whether you want to import anything. If you don't want to import anything, say no. So give it a few seconds for it to launch. And that's, it will prompt you whether you want to allow automated usage reporting to Oracle. What this particular icon means is like how you are using this particular software. If you want to report it to the Oracle, you can keep this unchecked. If you don't want to report it, you can uncheck that. Both options are completely fine based on your choice. Now the software has been developed, so software has been installed. Let's go and make a connection to Oracle database. To make a connection to Oracle database, click on this plus button. Here, whatever name you want to give, that's your choice. So let's say Oracle DB, whatever name you want to give here. This is the username who has the access to that Oracle database. I don't have any user apart from sys, so let me give the sys user. Give the password of that user. Let's say because sys user has to connect as a sysdba, let's say sysdba. If you want to save the password so that next time it doesn't prompt you for the password, you can save it. This is the machine where the Oracle database is running, which is in my case db2. You can give the IP address as well if you know the IP address. And here you can give the SID, the system identifier. In my case, it is CDB2. Let's do the test to find out, and you can see it is success. If you want to save the connection, you can click on save. The connection will appear under the Oracle connection. So let's click on save. As you can see, the connection has appeared, and if you want to make a connection to that, you can click on connect, or you could have directly click here and you can connect from here as well. Since we have already connected, it is grayed out, but let's say if I disconnect, let me close this, and then you can see there is a connect option. So now the font is pretty small. So let me go to the tools, let me go to the preferences, let me go to the code editor, let me go to the fonts, let me make this particular font probably 20 so that you guys can see this clearly. Now what we will do, we have connected to the Oracle database. So let's go and create one table. Before creating a table, let me see if we have a table called test, and probably we might have that particular table. So let's create a table called test1, and let's see if we have a table called test1. So you can see there is no table or view does not exist. We got a message table or view does not exist because test1 does not exists. So let's create a table called test1. So the table test1 has been created. Let's now verify if we have the table. Yes, we have the table, but it is empty because we just created a table. And if you want to insert any record into that particular table, let's go ahead and insert one row inserted. And now if you want to validate if that record is present in the table, let's run select star and you can see one record. And if you're happy, you can say commit the transaction, which will make sure that this particular record gets committed within your database. So commit has been completed. So this is the short tutorial on how to install the SQL developer on Windows. And as I mentioned before, you don't have to install anything. You download the software, you extract it, and you are ready to use. So this was a short tutorial on how to install Oracle SQL developer on Windows, which is the best free to GUI tool for DBAs and developers. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.